The island of Soda is surrounded by beautiful blue. Okay, let's go back to our point. So this is the story about train with faces. They don't want to be late, blah blah blah. And there's Edward and Henry, the big trains, but we don't care about them anymore because they are too old for a big adventure. Hey! They are just stopping at the station where they will see a new engine.
Edward, I'm worried about this new engine. I heard it is longer and stronger than we are. What if Sir Topham Hatt will get rid of us? An engine will do our jobs.
Henry, never believe the rumors. This engine is just like you and me. You don't know this engine yet.
There he comes now.
Holy moly! I can't believe Dad finally gets to work with the big trains!
Sir, are you sure that this is the engine that it's supposed to be?
So, I just got a letter from saying that we should get a smaller engine so that more younger people would take an interest in us. Well, it looks like you are staying here.
Oh boy! Train-tastic!
Well, this looks like the beginning of the end. Oh, I finally can get some rest after pulling Annie and Clabo all around the Sodor. Nothing can bother me right now.
Gordon!
What do you want?
Gordon, I have to ask you a question that is very important to me. Something that will change my life forever. Why is the sky blue?
What? Okay, so the sky is blue because the blue sun rays spread the most on the face of the earth. Now go away!
Okay! Gordon!
Pushing me! They're pushing me!
That's down. Don't worry, James, I will save you! Don't panic, let's use a brakes!
When I don't have any brakes! None of us have!
Time to try and slow you down! Wait, what's that small thing in the tracks? Oh boy, it's a little kitty cat! Wait a second, it's on the same track as James! I know exactly what to do! Hey James, look! I set the kitty...